Welcome in the experiment table. Now we discuss about the experiment. Okay, this is the breadboard. Already told in the previous class what the connection of breadboard. This is the vertical pins. This is the 5 pins, and it is a horizontal pin. Okay, and how to place the IC. This is the IC 14 pin IC 7402. Okay, this is the 14 pin IC. All of you see that this is a 14 pin IC. Okay, now we have to place. In previous class we discussed how to place this IC in the breadboard. Okay, we place like this. See this in the breadboard. Okay, now we first of all design uh, NOT gate using this NOR IC. Okay, the circuit diagram of NOR gate. See this. Okay, pin number 2 and 3 input, and these two pins are shorted. Okay, so first of all, pin number 2, pin number 2 and 3. We also discussed that how pin number 1 is count and pin number 2. This is a pin number from the below of notch. We have to count pin number 1, and vice versa pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and anti-clockwise 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And pin number 14 is VCC. VCC is plus 5 volt DC for this IC, and pin number 7 is ground. We also discussed the experiment kit. Okay, this is the ground, this is the ground pin, and this is a plus 5 volt DC. So plus 5 volt DC go to the pin number 14, and ground to pin number 7. Okay, now in according to this circuit, pin number 2 or 3 is shorted, and 1 is the output. What this is the output pins, this is the output pins. We get output from this pin. Okay, so output from pin number 2 or 3, and input sorry, pin number output from pin number 1. Okay, and input the shorted point of pin number 2 and 3. Okay, we give this in pin number 2. You may give it a pin number 3. So now we powered on the key. Okay, now truth table. If we give 0, see this, if now we the 0 is input, the output will be high, the LED glow. Okay, the LED glows already. And if output 1, sorry, if input 1, output will be 0. Okay, this is the first experiment, and the second experiment is implementation of AND gate using NOR gate. Okay, so first of all, design according to this circuit. Already in theory part we have discussed. Okay, now pin number 7 and 14 is intact. Okay, so first of all, pin number 2 and 3 will be shorted. See this, pin number 2 and 3 will be shorted. 2 and 3 will be shorted. Okay, and A input go from pin number 2 or 3. input A with pin number 2. Okay, now pin number 1 go to pin number 8. Pin number 1 connected with pin number 8, and now pin number 5 and 6 will be shorted. 5 and 6. Now we have to connect pin number 4 to 9. Okay, pin number 4 to pin number 9, and the final output from pin number 10. The final output from pin number 10. Okay, and the input B goes from pin number 5 or 6. Input B, suppose this is pin input B, this is 5 or 6 in endpoint. Okay, now we check the truth table of AND gate. If we give 0 0, this is 0 0 input, output will be 0. If 0 1, 0 1 input, output will be 0. Okay, if input 1 0, output also will be 0. If we give the input 1 1, the output will be 1. See this LED glows. Okay, now we have to design the third experiment, implementation of OR gate using NOR gate. The circuit is this. Experiment name, implementation of OR gate using NOR gate. Okay, first of all remove this circuit, previous circuit. Now first pin number 2 from input A, connect pin number 2 from input A. This is the input A, this is the input A, and we have to connect with pin number 2. Now we connected, and pin number 3 connected with input B. This is the input B, it's connected with pin number 3. Now pin number 5 and 6 shorted. Pin number 5 and 6 shorted. Now we have to connect pin number 1 to pin number 5 or 6. Pin number 1 to pin number 5 or 6. Pin number 1 to pin number 5. Suppose 5. Sorry. Pin number 1 to pin number 5. Okay, now pin number 4 give the final output. Pin number 4, sorry, this is the final output. We take from this point the final output. Okay, now we have to check the truth table. 0 0 for input 0 0, output 0. For input 0 0, now this is the input 0 0 condition, output 0. Okay, see this truth table. And for input 0 1, output 1. For 0 1, output 1. see the LED is LED glowing. Okay. Now in 1 0 output 1, the LED is glowing. Okay. Now 1 1 output also 1, now LED is glowing. See, truth table. Okay. So this is the 3 experience using NOR IC. Okay. Thank you everybody.